This video, produced by Warren County Telecom, is specifically for fire EMS agencies and the multi-assign and stacking features going live December 14, 2020, within your MDC's Mobile Enterprise program. While these features are more so reactionary to law enforcement requests, they'll benefit fire EMS as well. Agencies want the ability to handle and clear low priority calls even if already assigned to another call. They also want the ability to grab each other's stacked calls and clear them. Solution number one is stacking, but with a twist. While stacking isn't new to the program, stacking with the multi-assign feature enabled is for Warren County. Stacking a call simply places it in the pending calls queue, noting the intended unit. Multi-assign elevates the stacking function to do two things. It lets you handle the stacked call while en route to your original call, two birds, one stone. It also allows another unit to grab your stacked call from the pending queue and self-assign as well. Benefits of stacking with multi-assign enabled. If Brush 91 is en route to a tree down and comes across another tree down, they can report it to dispatch. Dispatch can then stack that second tree onto Brush 91. Brush 91 can self-assign to the stacked call, handle it, close it, then continue to the original tree down. Today, without multi-assign enabled, Brush 91 would have to clear the first call before being able to handle the second tree. If that same tree down is stacked on Brush 91 and another unit grabs it, the other unit can handle and clear it, removing it from the pending calls queue. Stacking will be especially helpful in Condition 2 to let agencies manage their own calls in Area Command. Some other features of stacking: only one unit can be assigned to a stacked call, so it's not ideal for 2+ unit responses. With multi-assign activated, you can self-assign to a stacked or pending call, even if already assigned to a call, and the system will multi-assign you to both. A stacked call cannot be closed out by the Emergency Communications Center until a unit interacts with it from within Mobile Enterprise. Solution number 2 is multi-assign. When deciding how Warren County would utilize these features, the fire EMS reps, emergency services, and telecom did not think multi-assign would be regularly used by fire EMS, but we'll still cover some basics. Multi-assign allows you to be simultaneously assigned to more than one call for service. You decide when to handle each, but the clock is ticking on both. The top left incident number box will reveal a circled number if you're multi-assigned. Click this box to reveal a drop-down of your assigned calls and to select the one you want to interact with. Calls are listed in the order they were assigned, oldest on top. We're researching the possibility to add further distinguishing details to this list, such as incident type or address, but there's no pathway yet. A huge caveat for multi-assign that you need to be aware of: the only on-screen notification you currently get when multi-assigned is the circled number in the top left corner. You also might see your status box change to dispatched. Your screen's focus is not pulled to the newly assigned call for service, forcing you to acknowledge it. When multi-assigned, your status and favorites buttons automatically associate to the newly assigned call, even if you're active on another call. To ensure your status changes associate to the correct call, you must click the top left corner and choose the call you're interacting with. Also, dispatch must receive verbal confirmation from you for any multi-assigned or stacked calls. This will be especially important for fire EMS, as you do not sit in front of an MDC during your shift unless you're on a call. One way to tell if a unit is multi-assigned is to look on the unit screen. From here, you can sort by unit to see who is assigned to more than one call, plus their latest status and duration for each. To summarize, here is the Emergency Communications Center's intended operational procedure for fire EMS. They will only use stacking unless extenuating circumstances or the agency requests multi-assign be used. This training, brought to you by Warren County Telecom, has covered the new multi-assign and stacking features for Central Square. For more training information, you can visit our website at www.warrencountytelecom.com.